Okay, quick thing before I get to the video. I was pointing at the oil pressure light when I actually meant the wrench and the service message. Service. So you can see in this manual, two different types of service lights indicators. That's what will go away when you do the maintenance interval thing I'm about to show you. Okay, not the oil light that I point at in the video. Thanks. Okay, I'm in my 2024 Kawasaki KRX. This is a 4-seat electric suspension edition. I'm going to go through real quick how to reset your oil reminder. You see this light, well, it's on because I'm in the keys on. But I'll show you how to reset that light. I just did oil change. Now down here I have these buttons: select, return, up and down. If I'm on the main dashboard and I hit return and come down, clicking down, hit settings, select. I'm down here to service. All right, once you hit select, so on service, it'll bring up these two settings. Now they're both grayed out off, okay? If you click select again, or I'm sorry, you hold select, you now activate each of the warning or the trackers. Okay, now if you go back to, let's say, oil change, you click select, it'll let you set your interval. So here's the interval. This is in 1,000, right? So I want to do 500 miles. So I click select to move up, or select to move over one, and I'm using up, 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 up. Select, select. Now it's set 500 miles from now on that date. Okay, if you want to turn these off, you can hold the return button and it'll turn it off. So again, if it's off, you hold select and then click select and then set your mileage. Select and then up, 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 select, select. That one's done. I'll come down here. This is just another, setting or another, mileage tracker if you want an alert. The same thing. Select. And you set another mileage thing. So maybe you want to do diff fluids at 1,000. Return. Oh, I didn't hit select. So you have to go all the way through. So there's 1,000. Select, select, select. Done. 1,000-mile alert. Oil change alert. When you reset these, your light goes away, and you just work your way back to the dashboard. When you start the buggy, your light goes out. Thanks for watching.